In this tutorial, I will show you how to put two 5x7 designs on one page in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free and start designing right away. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and select Custom Size. Set the page size to 10 by 7 inches so the canvas is large enough to place two 5x7 designs side by side. After the canvas opens, go to the Elements section and add a rectangle or frame to the page. Resize the frame so it matches a 5x7 layout. Place the frame on the left side of the page. Next, duplicate the frame and move the second one to the right side of the page. Align both frames so they are evenly spaced on the page. Now you can add your design to each frame. Upload your invitation, greeting card or photo using the Upload section and drag it into the frames. Adjust the position and size so each design fits perfectly inside the 5x7 area. You can use the same design in both frames if you want two identical prints or place a different design in each frame. Take a moment to check the alignment so both designs look centered and balanced. When everything looks correct, click Share and then Download. Choose PDF print for the best quality so the page prints clearly. You can now print the page and cut it in half to get two separate 5x7 prints.